So, bali sa Facebook po, una namin nakita itong luxury. And then, after namin mag-visit, talagang may kukontak po agad sa inyo. So, if you're really interested to have your wedding here in Tagaytay at affordable price and with very friendly and approachable staff, I think one of the best yung luxury. Kasi kung sa iba, mag-iisa-isa kayo, compare nyo na lang presyo pa lang. So, ayun, pag may special request kayo, madali lang sa kanilang sabihin. So, napakababait nila, sobrang concerned sa'yo, preparation pa lang, talagang all-in na. So, yun yung masasabi ko. So, knowing myself, hindi ako parang mabilis na ma-convince na, ay, maganda na. So, even though this is our, syempre, first and last wedding mo to, overall, para sa akin, pasado si Luxury.